Manually renaming files can be a long, tedious job. Renaming is especially difficult if you've hundreds of files to rename. Thankfully, there are a few tips and tricks to batch rename files with ease. Method 1. Manual method. Go to the folder that contains your files. Click on View Details. Select all the files by using Ctrl A. Type a new file name and press Enter. Method 2. Automated method. As you can see, the manual method has limitations. For example, you can't rename files with different patterns. This is where Easy File Renamer can be helpful. Download EFR and click on Add Files. Select your files and click on Open. Choose your desired rule from the left. For example, to insert a text, select Insert AT. To replace a text, select Replace Text. To change case to lower, select Lowercase. To add numbering, select Numbering. EFR will show a preview of your files in real time. If you're okay with the changes, hit the Rename button.